Che, che. Guys, this girl you see here, you know, has been inside fridge for 8 good months without food, without kata. His uncle and the wife have been sentenced to 3 years imprisonment, which I am saying that is not enough for this act, for this inhuman act. What type of wickedness? I can't even comprehend this. What type of wickedness could this be? Your knees. You go out in the morning, you come back in the evening, you cook, you eat, you sleep with your wife, had fun with your wife. Why this girl is inside the fridge without food, without care? Are you not a wicked soul? Are you not a ghost? Guy, this girl has been confined inside the fridge by her uncle and wife. Thank God they have sentenced to 3 years imprisonment, but we are saying that it's not enough for this act, inhuman act. If this girl, were to be their child, would they treat her like this? Why this wickedness? Why are people so wicked? Your fellow human being, what did she kill anyone? The worst you could have done is to send her back to the parents if she's not yours. I am crying because of this. The heart of, God. Whatever you sow in this world shall you reap. Thank you.